What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. In this video, we are going to cover some different sleeper coins that I have invested in that I have talked about over the last month that are actually up pretty good. They're up pretty well over the last month. I'll cover some of the entry points that I talked about a month ago, where a lot of these coins are up. I'll talk about some other coins here. If you are interested in sleeper coins, gaming coins, NFT coins, these explosive coins, click subscribe down here in the bottom right hand corner. See my logo, click it. Click subscribe below, because we're going to continue to cover these coins as well as the major coins that we usually cover on this channel, like ADA, XRP, HBAR, VeChain, and CKB, where a majority of these coins right now are definitely just trying to find some support and ready to explode later. CKB is holding strong right now, doing well. So we're going to dive into some coins here, some various coins. Number one that we are going to dive into, Gold Fever. Now, Gold Fever, what is it? It is a game. We can go here to their website first. Gold Fever, The Promised Land. It is a game where it's a role-playing game. You are mining for gold, sort of like the TV show Gold Rush. Very cool name, very cool logo. About 60,000 people on their Twitter page. I just heard of Gold Fever yesterday. I bought in Gold Fever under $6 and it flew up to $8, and I was up substantially yesterday during Thanksgiving. I actually bought Gold Fever while I was at my Thanksgiving. So Gold Fever, I believe this project does definitely have some potential for sure. The graphics, the concepts, you're basically... So there's plots of land, but you're going around and you're either a miner or you're kind of a thief. So you're going around and you can mine gold. There's in-game rewards, and there's also thieves that are going around that can steal your gold, etc. This game, so this was originally posted by Chris Romano here on Twitter, Mega Thread. It's been a while since I've done this. I did a deeper dive into NGL as the ticker. You can get it on Gate.io. Gate, guys, if you're trying to be doing some more trading with some NFT and gaming coins and all that, I would say one of the better exchanges you can get is get all set up on Gate.io. It could be, if you're newer to crypto, it could be a little more complicated to get all set up on Gate, but Gate has over 1,000 different cryptos, and it's where a lot of the crazier cryptos are. But yeah, he has a whole thread here on Gold Fever. Blockchain game with high-value productions. It's a team of 35 highly skilled game developers. 3D graphics. Let's see here. Here you can see right here. Here's sort of a little trailer of it. Looks good. Another thing I am bullish on about this project, well, number one is just the name, Gold Fever. Another thing that is very bullish, if this is true, let's see here. I saw the market cap somewhere in here, and they're on the edge of getting a beta ready to go. They got a roadmap here on their website. NGL is currently an ERC20 token, but we'll be switching to Polygon to avoid fees. Here it is, benchmark analysis, benchmark versus other blockchain games not yet released. Star Atlas, 400 million market cap. Illuvium, almost $1 billion market cap. Alien Worlds, 544 million. And if this is true, Gold Fever, 60 million, and this is the game we're looking at, this thing should run up substantially more. I'm actually looking to pick up more Gold Fever today. I can't show you Gold Fever on TradingView because it's not on the charts yet. It's not on TradingView. Another thing to point out, guys, is the fact that if you come here to Gold Fever's website, only 60,000, or Twitter, only 60,000 followers. And no, I am not saying run out and buy Gold Fever right now, but personally, I'm going to pick up more Gold Fever today. I picked it up under $6, ran to $8. It is now around $7.77 right now, I think. Let's see here. Let's refresh the page to be sure. Okay, it's still moving. It's moving back up. It's kind of bouncing around there. It's over $8 right now. Up 55% though, guys. You always have to be careful. This is an early project. It was just listed on Gate.io 6 days ago, I believe. It's very new. So this 55% could either come back down and it could find support around that $6 range, or it could just explode and go up. That's something that you have to start to scale into, buy the dip, start to go in if you are interested in gold fever. Let's go back to their Twitter page here, because I'll just show you gold fever. If we scroll back to just November 20th here, you can kind of see a clip of the game there. It will on November 20th, Gate.io will open Gold Fever native token trading soon. It was just listed on Gate. Very new project. Here's another clip of it. Let's see here. Lifelike physics, player ownable metaverse, build your character skills, join teams, and battle for gold. I don't know. Overall, this thing's pretty promising, guys. And also, so if I just cover, you know, if you've been following my channel for a little bit, I apologize. We haven't put out more videos like this. I did put out a month ago. I put out a video, if you caught it, where I had, let's see here, I had my video from 1 month ago, and here's the video. It is called Sleeper Gem Coins to 10x Smaller Caps on October 24th. And when I put out that video, Illuvium was at $7.95 in that video, if you check that out. So let's see, where's $7.95 at? $7.95 is right here. So when I put out that video, that's where Illuvium was. Look what Illuvium did. Okay, I put out a video on Casper. In that same video, you have Casper. In that same video, I put out, at the time, Casper was 10 cents in that video. 10 cents would be roughly right here. Where is Casper now? Well, almost double from where I put out that video, pushing 18 cents. That is a month ago. If you watched this video, Sleeper Gem Coins to 10x from a month ago, like I said. We also had in that same video, we had CRV, which I am still very bullish on. CRV in that video was $3.56 in that video, which would be right about roughly right there. And look what CRV has done since. It had a nice run. It came back for support, and look where it is now, up here. Yes, it's got this red candle here. The market's pretty red today. Bitcoin dropped towards 53K. It is what it is. Bitcoin drags coins down. It is what it is. But still, you know, you got this line where a month ago in the video, you were all the way up here. You could have taken 20% profits in here, 20% profits here, and then on this big dip day, you could have bought back in, and that is a good technique, I believe in. I'm not trying to brag. My point is that I have put out some videos on NFT coins, gaming coins, whatever. I did it a month ago. I have a couple altcoin videos, and that have turned out pretty well. Gold Fever is one we are definitely looking at here. Casper, if we go back to the Casper chart, I'm pretty bullish on Casper. You can see how low you are down here when at a point you were way up here. Created by some of the original Ethereum team that created Ethereum. That is Casper, and it's kind of a 3.0 project. Let's see here. What else do we want to cover? I want to cover XCUR, to be honest with you here, because XCUR is another one that I'm in decently heavy. When I did the XCUR video, XCUR was at $3.78 in that same video, $3.78, which would have been, let's see here, let's mark this, would have been down here somewhere, and it's moved up decently. It came up here again at resistance levels. You can take profit at resistance levels. When it dips back down, re-enter those positions, especially if you're messing around on KuCoin and Gate. That is how people are turning $10,000 into 1 million in under a year or less. They're doing exactly what I'm saying here. As far as coins like this, XCUR, Curate, this market cap is like 35 million. It's very small still, I believe. It might be 40 million, but it is very small. Paribus is another one that I've covered that could explode. I am in all of these coins that I'm naming right now. I am in all of these coins. But yeah, I'm pretty bullish on Gold Fever. That's for sure. I'm going to try to pick more up. Let's see what's Gold Fever's doing now. Let's refresh this. So 814, 815. Well, it was just $7.77 about a half an hour ago. But again, guys, be careful with chasing stuff. But at the same time, this game is so new. It was just listed on Gate.io 6 days ago. It just started getting listed on exchanges. It wasn't anywhere very recently. If you look at the all-time chart on it, its all-time high last night is roughly 840-ish, 830, 840. And so we're going back up towards that. We scooped back down. But this is the all-time chart on CoinMarketCap. This was just added to CoinMarketCap on November 20th. So it's just arrived. So it's pretty new. I think I'm going to get some more because if that market cap is really that low and this thing explodes and catches on with a name like that, this thing's going to go crazy. So I'm looking to get more around, $7.50, maybe $8. Maybe this thing goes to $10, $11, $12 all of a sudden and I take profits there and then it comes down. Just bounced to $8.20. But I'm also bullish on XCUR, like I said. The reason I am bullish on XCUR, and I have a decent bag on that, is because, first of all, it's attached to gasless NFTs. But as you can see, XCUR, yes, it's battling some resistance, and we've covered this many times, but look at this. Let's redraw that. Giant cup, massive handle, flirting with the completion of the handle, boom. Its technical target, $9. That's double your money. So depending on what you throw into it, 3,000, 4,000, you're going to double your money, and the technical target is in the $9 range, which I'll take profits on the way towards $9. Probably at around $6, I'll take some profits. Around 8 or 9, I'll take more profits. And if it rolls back down, then I will re-enter with that cash money that is that tether that is sitting on the side. I'm trading into tether and then back out of tether. So guys, that's just covering some stuff for this video. I see CRV still going to, let's go back to CRV. I see CRV, its technical target is $6.60. I posted that on my Twitter page. It should definitely still make some nice movement. CRV's got some crazy tokenomics, and if you want to look more into those tokenomics, go to Credible Crypto's Twitter page and you can read his long thread about it. But basically CRV is attached to CVX. Like 90% of the supply is locked away. It should explode towards $20, $30, $40 in this bull run. This one's going to take a little longer, possibly. It's not as crazy as some of these gaming coins that are brand new, but it is what it is. Patience, patience, patience. When you leave a coin, it will run away without you. That's pretty typical. But anyways, guys, I showed you that in the last month, I've put out a couple sleeper videos, and a lot of these projects are up substantially since I put that video out. If you jumped on any of those projects that I was talking about, for example, with Illuvium, when I was talking about it at 790, and yes, it's correcting today, but if you got it at 790, it's still double. It's at 1491. If you got it at 790 when I dropped that video, it went all the way up to, let's see here, it went all the way up to $1,600 a piece. I mean, like, I haven't given you guys, I'm sorry I haven't given you guys more material like this, but I did have some videos on it, and I am in some of these projects. I believe it is a good idea to have most of your portfolio in the more blue chip projects, the bigger projects, stuff like ones that I love, VeChain, CKB, Cardano's on a major discount, XRP is on a wild discount. But a lot of these mainstream bigger coins haven't been running lately, which is fine. They should be getting ready. They should be coiled even more than they already were. They should be ready for a lot of these mainstream coins to start moving. But I also diversify, and I'll put 20%, 15, 20, 25% of my portfolio into things like the coins that I just covered in this video. Curve, Verasity is another one. Verasity is on discount right now. I believe there was a billboard in Times Square for Verasity. If you take a look at Verasity, its next potential target could be up here around 16 cents when it's only at 6 cents right now. So keep that in mind. I have some Verasity I'd like even more, but you only have so much money to invest. But yeah, I believe that the coins in this video, you should have, get some of these coins if you want, not financial advice. I'm going to try to pick up more Gold Fever depending on where it goes, what it does. Gold Fever could absolutely just explode and go crazy and be the next big thing. I don't know. It could also It could also roll and look for support and just sit still. I mean, that's part of the game. But I do see Gold Fever making some nice moves, and I'm going to try to collect. I'm going to try to add to my position on that. Take profits as it goes up. 20% here, 30% there. Say it makes a nice run up. Take out 30%, and then when it corrects back down, has that little dip, rebuy that dip, and then just ride it up. But just don't get too emotional about it, and don't get too don't be just attacking it and being so worried hour by hour. It's more like a day by day thing or a week by week. But no, it's not up to the minute, up to the hour. Watch. Trade, and get super emotional about it. But you don't want to zoom out completely and be looking at just months either. If you're kind of doing a little bit of swing trading, day trading, hybrid there on some of these coins. So these are just my thoughts, guys, on all this. I'm going to release some more videos today. Just trying to get this out there to you guys, showing you that, I pointed out a lot of these coins. They've made massive movements since I pointed them out a month ago. And we're just going to keep watching and waiting for this market to go. Bitcoin is fine and healthy still. 53K. That was in my last video. I said that's going to be completely normal and healthy for that to do that. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Let's cover some other coins here. CKB looks good. Everything else is just kind of correcting a little bit. It is what it is. That's going to be it for this one, and we will see you in the next video. See ya.